Hello there and welcome to another myClubhouse video tutorial. In this video we will be looking at membership categories. Most clubs have more than one category of membership, even if it is something as simple as adult and junior membership. In this example we'll be creating a junior category with some common settings. This will not show all options or capabilities of membership categories, but will give a brief introduction to some of the most commonly used settings. Once you are logged into your myClubhouse site, navigate to Subscriptions, Membership Categories. Click Add Category. Enter the name of the membership category. Enter a short description about the category, including who is eligible, and the benefits these members receive. This will be visible to members. Select Junior Member for role when active. Leave the start date as User Select Start, and as soon as possible. This will mean that the subscription will start on the day that the member registers. Leave the end date as Season End Date, and a duration of 1 year. This means that the subscription will end at the end of the current season. Click Costs to move to the Costs tab. Enter the subscription cost. Select Subscriptions for the Subscription Cost Payment Scheme. This controls how a member can pay for their subscription. For the subscription product categories, select Subscription. Click on the Renewals tab. Automatic renewals are a very useful and commonly used tool, but for your first year, we recommend doing renewals manually. So leave Automatically Renew set to No. Set the renewal grace period to 7 days. Set the renewal reminder period to 30 days. For the renewal progression, select Full Adult Member from the drop-down next to this category. This means when a member is no longer eligible for this membership category, the system will renew them to the adult category. So here, when a member reaches 18 years old, they will be moved from the junior to the adult category. Click Restrictions to move to the Restrictions tab. Leave Available to new applicants, and Available to existing members checked. Set the age range to be to 17. Click Save Changes. And there you have it. An example of a basic junior membership category. If you liked this video, you can learn more about other capabilities of membership categories in our knowledge base. If you need some help with setting up your membership categories, get in touch through the myClubhouse service desk. Thank you for watching.